Bro, what is that noise? What? No cars going on. Is it like trumpet? Is it done? What the actual hell?